We guide you through how to log out of all devices on Facebook in 2026. So start by opening the Facebook app or website and go to the profile, tap the menu, then head to settings and privacy and open settings. From there, select password and security and look for the section called where you are logged in, where you'll see a list of all devices currently signed in into your Facebook account. Review the list carefully, then tap See All if needed, and choose Log Out of all sessions to instantly sign out your account from every phone, tablet, and computer at once. After confirming, Facebook will end all active sessions except the one you're currently using. So, for extra security, go ahead and change your password right away after and turn on two factor authentication to prevent future unauthorized access.